Tired of Asana feeling like an island? In this video, we're diving into Asana Webhooks, your key to unlocking seamless automation and connecting Asana to the rest of your digital world. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to access the Asana developer documentation to understand the requirements for establishing webhooks. This resource contains key information about structure and authentication. Now, identify the specific Asana events you want to trigger in action in another application, for example, a new task created, a task assigned, or a status change. Next, you'll need a server or a platform to receive the webhook payloads. Platforms like Zapier or Make can also be used here. With your server or platform ready, create the webhook in Asana. This is done through the Asana API, specifying the target URL where Asana should send the updates and the resource ID, the project or task you're monitoring. When the specified event occurs in Asana, Asana sends a payload containing information about the event to the target URL. You can then parse this data. Finally, based on the data received, your server can trigger actions in other applications, automating workflows and streamlining processes, and that's it. Now you can start automating your tasks in Asana.